Hi everyone. You may be wondering, what are we doing here? I decided to start vlogging for two main reasons. The first one is that you will be able to learn everyday Spanish in this way, because this vlogging is gonna be like Spanglish kind of situation where I will be mainly speaking English, but also I will say things in Spanish, and you will be able to learn some vocabulary that way. The second reason why I'm doing this is because I will be able to make more videos, and also you will get to know me a little better. Now, I will continue to make the other videos, the Spanish word of the day and some Spanish lessons, but also I would like to vlog once in a while or as much as possible so you can learn more vocabulary in an easy way. Because, I mean, the name of the channel is Spanish Made Easy, right? Okay, well, let's get it started. Leave your comment down below. Just let me know what you think about this vlogging thing. If you like it, I hope you do, because I think we're gonna have so much fun. And again, you will learn some Spanish, right? Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is eat, because I am starving. Tengo mucha hambre. So I'm just gonna add some lime to the rice, and yeah, I'm gonna eat. This is arroz con chícharos, and this is a chickpea omelet. And well, yes, that's the thing, and I love it. Chickpea in Spanish is garbanzo, and omelette is omelette. Omelette de garbanzo. And over here, I just have a green split pea soup, which I really love it. It doesn't look that nice, but believe me, it's freaking delicious. And split pea in Spanish, I have no idea. I'll put it on the screen right now. But yeah, it's delicious. Okay, I'm gonna eat. Voy a comer because I am hungry. Porque tengo mucha hambre. Let's go, chiquis. Vámonos. So yeah, guys, this little fella is my little dog, my chiquilin, because that's his name. He's really cute, right? And he is bilingual. He speaks English. Well, he doesn't speak, he understands. Come here. He understands English and Spanish. Hi, chiquis. Hola, chiquis. Hola, chiquis. Are you sleepy? ¿Tienes sueño? ¿Tienes sueño? Yes? So yeah, guys, I'm going to, well, actually, this is the most, or will be the most recent video. Por si acaso, that's a phrase we're gonna learn today, and it's a pretty useful phrase. You will see why. If you watch the lesson, you will understand. But yeah, por si acaso is a phrase that I use sometimes. I will say pretty often whenever I feel that something might happen. Usually when something unexpected will happen or might happen, then I use this phrase, por si acaso. Well, guys, right now I have some project, and that is to organize one of the closets. that I have, and it is pretty messy. You'll see. So check it out, guys. This is just all the mess I have to deal with. This is all my tiradero. Tiradero. In some countries, that means something not that good, but it means a mess. This is un tiradero. Un tiradero. So let's do it. So this box here has a bunch of lamps, lámparas, lámparas, and well, some of them work fine, but this one here is missing the foco. So I'm gonna have to put this in the basement, I think. And I have some paper here. We just have to put it somewhere else, but I think I can use this lamp in the office, en la oficina. So I'm just gonna take it out. Okay, so I have to go through this box. Okay, well, that was just a piece of paper. What's in here? Just a cable? Really? Okay. Let's just put that here in this box where all the cables are. Yarn for something. Yeah, I need this. Glue, pegamento, something that I don't know, a ribbon. Brushes or something. In Spanish, this is called pinceles. Pincel. Yeah, I'm gonna have to organize this box better, and then yeah, just put it somewhere. Well, this is interesting. I just found the boxes of 3 iPhones that I've owned, 3 cell phones, celulares, that I've owned. And it's funny because now I have a Samsung Galaxy phone, which I'm really happy that I have right now. So I've been an iPhone user for a long time, but not anymore. I don't know what to do with this. Well, this is the final result. Maybe it doesn't look as empty as I want it to be, but there's definitely more space in this closet. Yeah, it looks decent. I have to get rid of a few things. This lámpara, I need to plug it into the wall. You know, it's just useful to have. Flashlight, lámpara, lámpara. You could even say lámpara de mano, but yeah. Well, guys, now I'm just resting. I am a little tired from a few things that I had to do today, and mainly because of the closet. That was a big mess, but it's done. Now just have to worry about supper, la cena. I don't know what to make. What do you think? What do you like to eat for supper? Um, just let me know in the comment section down below.